Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on vibrations on WhatsApp calls, and now let's dive right in. Now, to turn on vibration on WhatsApp calls, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and you can see the settings option available for us just below the start messages. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the notifications just below the chats. Tap on notifications, and again over here scroll down until you can see the calls option at the bottom of the list, and there is the vibrate option available for us. Now, in order to turn on or enable the vibration on WhatsApp calls, tap on the vibrate and choose the type of the vibration which you want, either long or short or default. I'll be just going with the default, and that being done, guys, the vibration on WhatsApp calls ringtone will be enabled. And there, guys, this is how to turn on vibrations on WhatsApp calls. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.